Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 8, and our project title is to-do list application. Okay, this is our group member. Me, Arif Hafizah bin Ahmad Usni will explain about introduction. And next, Ahmad Zamani will explain about problem background and objective. Next, Muhammad Amir will explain about demo project, and Muhammad Shafiq will explain about UML class and relationship. Alright, our introduction is the to-do list project is a Java application designed to assist user in effectively manage everyday activities using the Swing framework. It has mainframe at Java to analyze and show the UI constant common constant.java for UI customization and task management panel. For management individual tasks with text file, checkbox, and delete button, the primary interface to-do list UI.java has a scrolling task panel and intuitive and add task button. The program combines dynamic scaling and unique font for increased usability and look accessibility and excellent usage of Java Swing for task management. Tasks may be removed or marked complete with a strike-through effect.
So next we will discuss about the problem background. So why our system need to be developed? So we compare our system and the before this method, which is the old method that we use. Firstly, we look at the manual task management. So people likely rely on pen and paper or scattered digital notes, so that it's leading to disorganization and the potential to forget the task. Next, we talk about the inefficient task tracking. So, without a system to track progress, user might struggle to prioritize tasks, miss deadlines, or lose track of completed tasks. And lastly, we look at the lack of visual cues. Simple lists might not provide clear visual indicators of task completion or importance. Okay, next, the objective of this project. First is to develop a to-do list application that is simple and allows users to manage their daily tasks effectively. Second, to create a user-friendly application that allows users to add, edit, and delete tasks. And lastly, to offer dynamic visual indicators of work progress and priority efficiently without requiring a database to be stored.
Okay, now I will present the UML class and its relationship. In this project, we use three main classes, which is app class, to-do list GUI, and task component. The purpose of app class is to contain the main method to initialize and start the GUI. The method that we use in this class is mainstream argument, which is to ensure the GUI is created and update on the event dispatch. The second one is to-do list GUI class. The purpose of this class is to represent the main GUI window of the to-do list application. There are two attributes, which is text panel that act as a container for the text component panel, and the task component panel that will store all individual component instance. It is also have a for method, which is to-do list GUI, which is to set up the frame proportion and calls GUI component. Add GUI component is to add the banner and the add task button to the GUI. The method of action performed, it is to handle the add task button action. When the triggered, when it's been triggered, it will create a new task component and add it to the task component panel. Create font is for to load a custom of font from the specific resource file and return it as a font object. The last component is task component class, which is to represent an individual task in the to-do list application. It has four attribute, which is checkbox to mark the task as completed or pending, text field for editing and display the task description, delete button is to delete the task, and the parent panel as a reference to the parent J panel containing this task component. The method that been used in this class is task component, get task field, and action perform. Action perform, the function is to handle the checkbox and delete button.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our project. The project name is To-Do List. First of all, my name is Muhammad Amir bin Aziz. So, without further ado, as you can see, there is an add task button. You can press it as much as you want. For each field, you can fill out your task. For example, I want to eat, and then I want to sleep. After you have created this, you can, and if you have eaten, you can just press this, so there will be the strike through. And then you can also press the X button. If you don't want to see that I want to eat anymore, you can just press X to remove them. And yeah, that's it for our project demo. And thank you for listening.